We're here at the Muratec booth at EMO, and I'm here with Sabuto-san, and it's 90 years that you've been in business right now.
Yes, yes.
That is exciting, and the first machine is also very exciting. So, what can you tell me about this machine, the new MT300?
Yes, so this is our very new machine, MT300, which is our largest machine in our lineup. And this gantry loader allows 30 kilogram.
30 kilograms?
Yes.
That's crazy.
Yes.
That's flying around, that's what, 80 pounds?
Yes, that's
flying
correct.
through the air, and you can do, does it slow it down at all to do the 30 kilograms?
Yeah, 30 kilogram, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, yes.
So how big can we put a part in here? What size of chuck can we get in this machine?
So chuck size is 15-inch chuck, which is our almost also the biggest one.
It's the biggest of all the machines that you have?
Yes, in our lineup.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
That's very exciting. You've got how many turrets in this machine?
So this machine has 3 turrets, and all turrets can mount 15 toolings. So total up to 45 toolings can mount.
That's a lot of tools.
Yes.
3 turrets,
Yes.
45
Yes.
tools across all of the turrets?
Right, yes.
That's great. What kind of customers are taking advantage of this right now?
So this is a very advantage to non-automotive market, so general market or all market, yes.
And then they're loaded back here.
Yes, this is a in-field work feeder, yes.
I love the way that Murata has brought all the automation
Yes.
to make this easier. There's so many machine tools where it's a human being that has to do this.
Yes.
They have to reach into the machine. They
Yes.
have to load the chuck.
Yes.
But not with you guys.
Yes, so it is very difficult to load heavy parts by operator.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so this is a good, nice solution.
Yeah.
Yeah, to all customers. Yes,
That's very
industry.
cool.